Ooh. 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 Ni men hao, ni men hao. Gen chao zhi xue fa yu, ni men hao. 我喜欢按摩, And Jin Tian, today, welcome to another French lesson. So today we are starting, you see here, we have the 36 sounds of French language, 36 sounds. We've already seen the vowels, all the vowels here. And now we are starting the consonant. And today we're starting the first consonant, that is the sound P, but it's the same as B. Let me pronounce it for you, okay? So here it is. P, petit, P, okay? In fact, how to pronounce P is the same as when you pronounce boo, poo. So I'm not sure. My Chinese 我的中文非常不好，我的中文不好，所以我不知道什么说不。But it's the same. I think p, boo, or the same as papa, baba, pe, baba. Okay. So it's similar sound. So this can help you. Pe, baba. Let's repeat after me. 你们跟我一起说these sounds, okay? 1、2、3 P, 非常好，还有说1 P, 2 P, 3 P, 4 P, 5 P. And now let's read together. There are 10 ways to say these sounds. So let's read it together. Okay, so 10 different writings of these sounds. 你们跟我一起说 subtil, absolu, observer, 7K, pot, épi, cap, stop, pelure, l'apéro, éperon, pipe, il coupe, jupe, pipe, appui, apparent, jappé, achoppé, appelé, nappe, grappe, il achoppe. Okay? And 3 more here. 你们跟我一起说 il jappe, ils achoppent, nappe, grappe, tu achoppes, cap, cep, scalp, jalap. Okay, and that's all for today. So this sound is not so difficult. 这个不是很难，我觉得你们都可以说 p. Okay, 我们还有一起说一次 the p is here. Okay, donc 一起说 p, petit. Okay, 非常好。再见，au revoir les amis, au revoir.